Hello friends, welcome in the 5th lecture of my series. Hope you are enjoying this Excel course very well. Till now we have prepared this layout in the Excel. I personally request you to make your own sheet rather taking this. Though for your reference I am attaching this sheet in the course. So you just go to the course and find this Excel sheet and download it for your reference. If anything you want, you can check this from Excel, but I request you to make this Excel by yourself. It will give you a lot more experience. Rather showing just videos or lecture, I request you to give some time on this Excel so you can be used to use of it. That's why I'm attaching this initial Excel sheet with you. Just go through this, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. From the next series, I will take you through some advanced level. In that I am going to teach you many commands like if, VLOOKUP and many more. Indexing, matching, filter, drop down list, conditional formatting. And after this full series, I will go through VBA coding, form creation, analytical dashboard. So that's why I request you to parallelly you also make this type of Excel so that you can practice it. Just whatever shortcuts I taught you in my last video, just practice it and apply it in your Excel, and you will learn lot of things in my videos. So thanks for watching this. Just download this Excel sheet from resources. So we will meet you in next lecture. Thank you.